Welcome to Top Resume Fails and How to Avoid Them. This video is for anyone navigating the competitive job market, especially those in tech, who want to ensure their resume truly stands out. I've reviewed thousands of resumes in my career, and I've seen some truly common and often devastating mistakes that can instantly derail even the most qualified candidates. By the end of this video, you'll learn exactly what pitfalls to avoid and how to craft a resume that gets noticed by both AI and human recruiters, ultimately boosting your chances of landing your dream job. Imagine this: a top candidate's resume gets rejected in seconds, not for lack of skills, but for a single ironic typo, like claiming, quote, "great attention to detail" with a misspelled attention. It sounds silly, but it happens all the time. Often, these errors lead to automated rejections by AI before a human ever sees your application. This video will dive into the most common and easily avoidable resume mistakes. Understanding these fails is crucial because they cost talented individuals opportunities. My goal is to empower you to create a resume that not only highlights your strengths, but also strategically navigates the modern hiring landscape. First up, ironic typos. Typos scream carelessness. A classic example is boasting, quote, "great attention to detail," with a spelling error right there on the page. Another real-life fail: someone claiming their skills would be a quote, "detriment" instead of benefit. These mistakes are fatal because recruiters spend only 6 to 7 seconds scanning a resume, actively looking for reasons to eliminate candidates. A typo is an easy out. The fix? Always use spell check and Grammarly. Read your resume aloud, and even better, get 2 trusted people to proofread it for you. Next, we have ATS killers. Over 80% of companies use applicant tracking systems, or ATS. These AI systems filter resumes before human eyes see them. Flashy formats with multiple columns, fancy fonts, or graphics can confuse the ATS, leading to automatic rejection. Even changing standard job titles, like marketing manager to creative evangelist, can cause you to miss crucial keywords. Your resume gets filtered out before it even has a chance. The solution is simple. Stick to simple, single-column layouts. Use clean, professional fonts like Arial. Use standard headings like work experience and education, and avoid tables or images. Most importantly, mirror the keywords from the job description in your resume. Always save your resume as a .docx or PDF. Then there's too much information, or TMI. This is when candidates overshare weird, irrelevant details. I've seen everything from listing pets as references to Tinder-style bios, hobbies like smoking or professional napper, or even claiming past life royalty. This hurts you because it shows poor judgment and distracts recruiters from your actual skills and qualifications. The fix is simple. Ask yourself, does this detail prove I'm the best candidate for this job? If the answer is no, cut it. Your resume should be a focused document that highlights your skills, achievements, and the value you bring to the role. Another common fail is bizarre skills in your skills section. I've seen, quote, "perfect velociraptor call," bilingual in 3 languages, implying a 4th, or just poor wording, or extremely basic skills like using the internet. These kinds of entries dilute your real skills and question your understanding of what's relevant for the role. Instead, list relevant, tailored skills that directly apply to the job, like proficient in Python or advanced SQL. If possible, quantify your level of proficiency. Skip the generics and focus on impactful, job-specific abilities. Watch out for over-the-top creativity. Gimmicks like sending a half-printed resume with a note saying "hire me to see my full potential," or submitting a clay model of yourself often backfire. Worse, some candidates accidentally send sloppy, unprofessional files, like a resume with an accidental porn ad or a court summons instead of their actual application. These approaches seem desperate or unprofessional, completely overshadowing your actual qualifications. Instead, channel your creativity into relevant work, like a strong portfolio for creative roles or contributing to open-source projects for technical ones. Keep your resume clean, professional, and easy to read. Finally, outright lies. Fabricating jobs or skills, like claiming code you didn't write, inventing a fake CIA spy history, or lying about being a coding wizard only to struggle with basic tasks later, is a huge risk. These lies are easy to catch through LinkedIn checks, background verification, or during interviews. Being exposed ruins your reputation and can blacklist you from future opportunities. The best fix is always, to be honest. Highlight what you genuinely can do and emphasize your eagerness to learn new skills. Integrity and authenticity will always win in the long run. By avoiding these careless and unprofessional resume pitfalls, you take control of your job search. Focus on crafting a tailored, clean, and honest resume that truly highlights your strengths and value. Job hunting can be tough, but by dodging these common fails, you significantly increase your chances of shining through. Go forth, apply confidently, and land that dream job.